We're down in a canyon, which is kind of like a creek bed, dry. Beautiful rock formations on well-trained mountain trail horses. Beautiful stone, cactus growing out of rock and other plants. Just beautiful. We're gonna have lunch here in a minute. Sometime. Not that I'm hungry. Look at this bedrock, it's amazing. Look at the cactus growing up in the rock way up there.